Hi there, my name is Bruce Chemoff, and I am the songwriter, the producer, and the video producer for the music video Piano Land. Now, I want to tell you that I produced this video with almost absolutely no budget. I'll explain to you what that means in a minute. But I do want to tell you that I created a music video that was my first, created by myself and produced, and people are telling me that it's professionally done. It looks professionally done. And I'm scratching my head, wondering how, because this is the first time I've done it. I have absolutely no experience, I have to tell you that, and no skills doing it. But somehow I did it, I made it work, it looks beautiful, it's exciting, and people are loving it. So I just want to tell you that I wanted to create a course on how to create a music video, produce a music video that will be exciting and matches your music and for whatever you want. Now, you can look me up on SoundCloud because I wrote a lot of music and produced a lot of music over the years, actually over the last 40 years since I was a kid. But I really haven't ever done a music video, and I always wanted to have one for MTV and VH1 and all of these video networks. Well, guess what? Piano Land, I've been told by a couple of people, and even a couple of recording engineers, that looks professionally done. So I want to show you how to do it. I produced this video with almost no budget at all. When I say almost, I'll explain to you what that means. Like basically, all I paid for was a software package that I already had, that I'll show you in another video. So I want to get into it with you and show you how to create your own videos, your music videos, for almost absolutely no money at all. I'm telling you, the videos that you will be producing that come out of this course will look like it was done from a $10,000 to $50,000 company, sometimes even more. I even asked a few people. I used to work on a project with Billy Joel sax player Richie Cannata. It wasn't a music project, it was a podcasting project back in 2005. And the interesting thing is he told me that music videos can cost anywhere from $25,000 to $100,000 to shoot. I don't want to get anybody in trouble, but I don't have that kind of money, and I don't think you guys have that kind of money, or maybe you do. But if you don't, let me show you how to do it for like under a couple of $100, if that. Maybe it's like almost free if you already have the software. I mean, all you really need is a modern mobile device, like a smartphone or a tablet that creates HD videos. I'll get more into that soon. And if you already have the software, the editing software, you're good to go. You don't need to spend any more money. Now let's say you don't have this software. Well, there are places online you can do it for free. I mean, it's not as high quality as you would get with an editing program, but you can still do it. And I will show you some of those free programs as well. Now, a little bit about myself. I have been a songwriter since the age of 9. I've been doing this for a long time. I've written over 150 songs. I've played all over the world. I've played with some large, famous musicians. And sometimes I just do the local circuit with unknowns, and that's all. So basically, I am a songwriter by heart. I'm a web developer. I wanted to get into a course. I wanted to develop a course that will show you how to make a beautiful music video. So stay with me. I'm going to show you how easy this is, how cheap it is, almost free. And I am so excited to share with you what I'm doing. Now, if you want, you can look at the full video for Piano Land. I'll give you the link right here on the bottom. And really, just enjoy the video. And imagine you creating these type of videos as well. I'll see you in future video lectures in this course. And I look forward to seeing the finished music videos that you guys come out with. Thanks for watching.